P0058 indicates that the PCM has detected excessive voltage in the heater control circuit for the downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. This heater helps the sensor reach operating temperature quickly. When the circuit voltage is higher than normal, this code gets triggered. This code is commonly caused by a short to battery voltage in the wiring or a faulty sensor heater pulling too much current. Check for connector corrosion or melted wires. In rare cases, the PCM itself may be sending too much voltage. When this code appears, the check engine light will turn on. You may not notice major performance issues, but emissions tests could fail and fuel economy might dip slightly due to slower closed-loop operation. To fix P0058, start by inspecting the wiring for a short to power. Use a multimeter to test the heater's resistance. If it's out of spec, the sensor should be replaced. Make sure the correct sensor model is installed for your vehicle.